Hey guys, my name is Jason and welcome to Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. We are here at our Fort Worth location because today I want to go over this brand new 2025 Isuzu NRR cab over truck. This is a special unit as it has been paired and upfitted with the brand new switch and go hoist system. Now, this is a diesel unit and it is an automatic transmission. Let's take a quick look inside the cab just so you can see some of the details. This is a seating for 3 truck. It does have the half bench that does fold down and a full captain's chair. And as you can see, there is a switch and go remote system for the hoist and for the winch. This does connect directly under the driver's seat and also can be disconnected so that you can take and connect to the chassis. Now let's talk about the back of the truck. With this particular unit, again, this is a 14-foot switch and go system. The manufacturer Switch and Go created this for a few different reasons. This is great for people that need a single chassis but multiple bodies. Now, some of the bodies that can go on this, you have a roll-off dumpster or the drop box. It's perfect for landscape dumps. You can add a chipper or arbor body, flatbeds, storage containers, and you can even do equipment subframes. Now again, this unit here, we do have some of the landscape dump bodies in stock ready to go on the ground. The hoist system is very easy to operate. Here at Industrial Power, we can show your team how to operate this. We can bring it to your facility so that you can test it out. But again, it is a great opportunity to have multiple bodies on a single chassis. You can drop off a body at the job site, have your crews working, go back, get another body, drop off somewhere else. Now, as we come to the back, again, if you have any questions about the switch and go system, please give us a call and let us know. We do have other bodies that we have in stock. We can order some other ones. We want to make sure that we have everything that is perfect for your business. Give us a call here at IP Truck. Make sure to check out our website at iptruck.com. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you, and you have a great day.